Welcome in our Everyday English Guru channel. If you do not subscribe till now, you can subscribe and press the bell icon. When you press the bell icon, you will get our video first in on first time and first and in you can alert every time when our video published in YouTube. In this video, we are going to share principle of learning. If you learn the principle of learning, then you can speak English very fast and you can learn very fast. So in this video, you will find how to learn English effectively. You will find 5 tips for beginners. In the first principle, immerse yourself in English. Surround yourself with English as much as possible by listening to English songs, watching movies, and reading simple texts like children's books or news articles. Try to think in English or label objects in your surrounding with their English names to reinforce vocabulary. Similarly, the principle number two is focus on listening and speaking. Practice listening to native speakers through postcards, videos, or language learning channels. Like this channel, you can learn a lot of things from this channel. Join online language exchange communities where you can practice speaking with others or try recording yourself speaking and analyzing it. You can also repeat our the sentences in our channel after you watching this video. Principle number three is build your vocabulary. Vocabulary is the essential requirement to learn language. Learn new words daily and use them in sentences, flashcards, word list, or if like Anki can be very helpful. Focus on high frequency words that are commonly used in everyday English. Principle number four, study grammar in context. If you want to write the English language, you need to know about the grammar's rules. But in speaking, you didn't know the grammar, but you can speak fluently in English. So you want to write your specific language, then you know to study grammar rules. Rather than memorizing isolated grammar rules, try to learn them through real examples in context like reading articles or listening to conversation. Use resources like English grammar books, website, or YouTube tutorials to understand sentence structures and common tenses. Like this video, you can learn from grammar also. And the final principle of learning is set small achievable goals. Do not make the big goals. You set only small goals, small things you can achieve step by step. Break down your learning into manageable tasks like mastering 10 new words in each week or completing a chapter of an English workbook. Then celebrate small achievements to stay motivated and gradually increase the difficulty level as you improve. So this is the five principle of learning you can easily learn from with us from our YouTube video. Please subscribe our channel Everyday English Guru and press the bell icon. From this video we say goodbye from all viewers. Thank you.